You just found the 2018 Dodge Durango. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. The Durango makes even the most demanding tasks look and feel easy. Its bold power, uncompromising capability, and technology that prioritizes passenger safety and comfort make it the go-to SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, all-wheel drive, backup camera, remote engine start, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, satellite radio. Seriously powerful, stylishly comfortable. The Durango awaits.